Hi. I consider myself pretty self-sufficient, but yeah, I'll admit I think I need help this time. This is tried to shovel a path to my car so that I can clear a space if I can get someone to come with a snowplow. So I've cleared this much. It's really hard to see on camera, but I got this far. I want to clear this out so when the plow comes, he doesn't hit my car. But there's still like another 8 feet to the road, which is right there. And I got like a 4.5 foot berm here. And the snow's really soft. It's really light. So now's the time to move it, as long as it doesn't get windy, because then it'll just all blow right back. Woo. So, yeah. If you guys that live up here permanent don't consider yourself locals, you will if you survive this. Okay, bye. Peace.